Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So today guys, based on the title, you'll realize that I'll be showing you how it is I do my Jamaican steam fish. So for right here, you will see I'm showing you what it is I'll be using for today. So there's my bamis, the fish that's already seasoned, the cock soup mix, my all-purpose seasoning, and I have here my already diced scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, onion, garlic, Irish potato, and pumpkin. There's also a scotch bonnet pepper. The only thing that's missing from my ingredients for today guys is some good old, so that would just be the okra. But guys, you can see we can still go ahead to make that perfect meal without that ingredient. So while you're here guys, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section anything you would have done differently or what you think about my method of steaming my fish. And of course guys, don't forget, if you're here and you have not yet subscribed, to hit that subscribe button. So to get started guys, I'll be using a little soft margarine to go ahead to prepare the seasoning. So you just go ahead to allow it to melt before adding the seasoning. So I'm just moving it around so that the entire pot can be covered. Once it has melted, then I'll go ahead to add the sweet pepper, garlic, onion, and scallion to the pot. This will then be sauteed until the aroma of that nice seasoning just rises from the pot into your nostrils. Once that is done, then I go ahead to add a glass of water to the pot. So next we'll just go ahead to add the rest of the ingredients. Well, not all ingredients. I'll be adding the carrots and I'll also be adding the Irish. So I won't be adding the pumpkins because during the steaming process of the fish, I don't want the pumpkins to get too soft. And you know, Jamaican thing, you don't want the pumpkin mash out and a soup will boil. So I'll just go ahead to leave these back until I'm ready for them. So now I'll just leave the pot to boil, probably about 5 minutes or so, but it depends on your stove and how high you have turned your burners up. So now once the pot has come to a boil, Then we'll just continue with the process. So once the pot has come to a boil, I'll go ahead to add the other ingredients. So firstly, I'm adding the cock soup mix. It's a spicy one. I'm going to go ahead and mix it in. And I'll also go ahead to add the thyme and the Scotch bonnet pepper. These have already been washed. Guys, ensure that at this point you do taste, so you'll just add your seasoning or salt depending on your liking for flavor. That was done for me off camera. So I'll now be moving on to adding the fish to the pot. So I'll just add I'm just making this for myself, so I'm just adding 2, Sunday, Monday kind of cooking. So for my non-Jamaican subscribers and others watching, for the Jamaican culture is a thing where we think that the Sunday dinner tastes far better on the Monday dinner when you eat it on Monday, so we normally cook more than we need on the Sunday so that we can just heat that up and have that for dinner or lunch on Monday. At this point as well, I'll also be adding the pumpkins and I am adding the bami. So I bought cocktail bamis and I cut each in half. So I'm just going to spread the pumpkin cubes all over. And then I'll also put the bami in, dipping them into certain sections so that they can soak properly while the pot simmers down. So I don't want the pumpkins to get too soft, I just want them to steam a bit, and the bamis will also steam a bit as well. So at this point, guys, the pot has steamed down. You can see my bammies are soaked in and my pumpkins are still whole and be able to be eaten as is without being mashed out. So I'm just going to let it just simmer down a little more, and then it will be ready to be served. So here we have the final presentation of the meal, a very healthy, balanced meal, carrots and Irish, a little side of carbs with the bammies, steamed bammies, and the fish, you know, I didn't add any oil, so it's healthier. And I just topped that off with a nice glass of fruit juice. So guys, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Let's chat in the comment section what you think about my method of the Jamaican steamed fish. And of course, guys, if you are here and you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so the next time I post a video, you can come on over. So until next time, guys, see you around and bye.